Welcome to The Wrap. I'm Diane King Hall, here to take you through today's market action. Well, the S&P 500 and NASDAQ each touched new all-time highs before stocks ultimately retreated. The Russell took a 1.25% hit. The Dow shed 0.5%. The S&P and NASDAQ each lost around 0.25%. As for sectors, materials sold off 1.4%. Healthcare and industrials each lost more than 1%. Consumer discretionary finished as the biggest winner, rallying 1%. Energy and consumer staples tacked on more than 0.3%. Turning to stocks on the move, Tesla climbed to a level it hasn't seen since April of 2022 after the company shared new Cybercab details. A Tesla engineer said the vehicle will have half the parts of the Model 3, which would mean reduced production costs to build the Cybercab. Guggenheim raised its price target on Tesla to $175 from $156, and Bank of America upped its target to $400 from $350. Uber and Lyft both sold off more than 9% after Waymo announced it will expand services to Florida. The company plans to add its Jaguar I-Pace electric vehicles to Miami early next year, with the goal of opening to riders in 2026. This comes after Uber and Toast announced a partnership aiming to cut delivery fees for restaurants and extend delivery reach. Meantime, Lululemon ticked higher after hours thanks to a beat on the top and bottom line in earnings. Revenue grew 9% year over year. Comparable sales rose 4%. Lulu guided for fourth quarter revenue between $3.48 to $3.51 billion. CEO Calvin McDonald says this quarter showed, quote, enduring strength of Lululemon with strong momentum in China and other international markets. It's light on the earnings docket tomorrow, but all eyes will be on November's jobs report. We'll also get fresh consumer sentiment data. That'll do it for The Wrap. I'm Diane King Hall. Remember to tune in 24/7 to SchwabNetwork.com.